Hello everyone, it's Cash here, back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chat logger in Roblox Studio. So let's get started. First things first, we're going to create a screen GUI, and we'll just call this chat logger. Okay, now we're going to press ignore GUI inset. That makes sure that it bypasses the top bar, and then reset on spawn will be false. And now we're just going to create a frame. And we can scale this however you want. I'm going to change the color to this bluish color. Then I'm going to add a UI corner, which allows me to make it round. Okay, and now I'm also going to add a border, so we're going to change this to white. And then we also need to add a UI stroke. And then change this to like 4. And I guess, yeah, we have to change this to white. Okay. And then we'll just add a text label. And then call this chat log. We can scale that. Change the border size pixel to 0. Make the background transparency to 1. And then change the text color to white. And I'll also change the chat to source sans bold, or the font, I mean. And then we'll change the name to title. And then we'll add a scrolling frame. Drag that right there. And scale all the way. Make the background transparency 0. And then we'll just edit all the settings. And then automatic canvas size, just make that X or XY. Or not XY, my bad, Y. So now whatever you have in here, it'll automatically change to it. Okay, now we're also going to change scroll bar image color to white. And now we have a nice looking chat log GUI. And I'm also going to add another frame. And this will just be to add like a little detail. And then if we just scale this the right way, well, we can also go right here. And then 0 or 1, 0, 0.001, 0. Now we have that. Change this border size pixel to 0, and actually make this 0.03. There we go. So now we have like a nice little thing right there to like show detail. Okay, and now we're gonna add the actual chat. So first of all, I'm gonna name this to detail. I'm gonna name this to main. I'm gonna name this to chat log frame. And then we're going to create a text button, or not a text button, my bad, a text label. And we're just going to scale this all the way up. And then we're going to go down here and turn text scale off. And make the text size like 24. Okay. And then, actually, if we add a UI text size constraint, we can change this to 24. Actually, change it to like 30. And then put it on text scale. There we go. And then we're going to make this white. And make the background of it a lighter version of this. So like a lower saturation. Scale that. And 120 should be good. Okay. And then in this, we're going to make the border size pixel 2, and then make that white. And we're going to try to match it up with that. So what if we try 1? Yeah, 1 looks way better. And then we'll just change this to player, and then UI equals script.parent, and then local main equals GUI wait for child main. And then local chat log frame equals main wait for child chat log frame. And then local preset equals chat log frame wait for child preset. Okay. And now that we have that, what we're going to do is actually make it so whenever somebody chats, you will see the actual stuff go in. So the way we're going to do this is instead of having it locally, we're going to have this even after you join. So if we do a script, and we'll call this chat log, or actually the name chat log. and then we'll have a replicated server remote event, and this called chat log. Okay, we're gonna do local chat log event equals game.replicatedStorage.chatLog. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is local. Actually, never mind. What we're gonna do is after somebody chats, so equals this, and then we'll do chat log, or actually table.insert chat log, and then the values. So you could do it like this, and then player.name, and then and then just chat. Okay, so then that will show what they're saying, and then now it does that, but we're gonna make it so whenever this table changes, we're going to just add the actual thing. So what we could do actually is just get rid of this function for now and put it right here. It'll be more simple, and then call the chat function after it inserts the table. So chat function and player and then chat. Or actual, no, just do player and then, no, my bad. Okay, just do chat function, and then here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do I equals 1 in pairs chat log do if player.player. Okay, this is pretty tough, guys. So we gotta do some problem solving here, and you can't do in pairs. For I equals 1 hashtag chat log do, and we're trying to get the actual chat log frame. So I guess what we could do is just delete all the chats. Yeah, okay, I know what we're gonna do. It's not equal to preset and element dot name is not equal to UI list layout. Then element destroy, and after that we'll add every chat. So then we'll do this and then dot preset clone, so local preset equals that, and then preset dot name is equal to chat, and then I guess we'll just be chat, or we'll do, okay, let's see, we logged player name and chat, so the name will just be the player name, so chat and then 1, okay, and the preset dot text is going to be equal to chat 1 and then chat, or this dot chat 2. I think that should work. And then preset dot visible equals true, and make sure this one is not visible. Okay, and after all that, we're just going to select all the UI, and we're going to use the UI convert or autoscale light plugin. Okay, and then we're just going to press play and see what happens. Say hi, or okay, so we got an issue. Player.player GUI. So attempt to index with GUI. Okay. Oh yeah, we forgot to put the parameters right here. So just do that and get rid of that. Now we can see hi, and there's no issues. And if we check the player GUI and we go to chat log frame, what's going on is it's not creating an actual preset. Oh, I know what the issue is. Okay, preset.parent equals to player.player GUI chat log frame. Yep, there we go. Hi, cache. Okay, so it did create something, and it stopped creating anything. So if we look here, what happened is, I guess, so it has an event logger. So what I think we have to do here is probably, I mean, like, it's doing the chat log. Maybe we have to make a random number, honestly. And then, okay, I think I know what we can do. We can also log chat, or we'll do hashtag chat log, and then player.name. And then in here, we'll change this right here, chat1. Before we do that, well, it's gonna be chat1 dot chat2